On 18th of December, Communist Party of India Marxist-Leninist Liberation Hills Party Committee HPC successfully conducted its 9th conference, which was held at Dipu Club from 17th December. On the initial day, the conference session was chaired by Protima Hippie, General Secretary of KNCA and CCM. Amidst the session, a conference draft was also constituted where international, national, Assam, Karbi Anglong Dima Hasau's affairs were discussed, followed by the body reshuffling of Hills Party Committee, where Ravi Kumar Phangcho was re-elected as the General Secretary of CPIML HPC for the third consecutive term, and 16 new executive members were enlisted into the committee. Several agendas like autonomous state, interstate borders, preparedness of 11th General Conference of CPIML Liberation on 15 to 20 January 2023 at Patna, Bihar were discussed. Also, a unanimous resolution was adopted during the initial day of the conference. Partha Kamakar, Secretary of CPIML Liberation, Tripura State, as well as the member of the Central Committee, attended the event as the central observer of the conference. In the following day, the conference was started by hosting the party's flag from Ravi Kumar Phangcho, the new re-elected General Secretary of CPIML HPC, which was followed by paying homage to late Vinod Mishra, ex-General Secretary of CPIML Liberation, led by Protima Hippie. A peaceful procession to Dipu town was also organized amidst the conference. Ajit Kashwaha MLA Bihar Legislative Assembly joined the procession along with Partha Karmakar, Central Observer, Ravi Kumar Phangcho and Protima Hippie. A memorandum citing the issues of autonomous state, interstate borders, unemployment and many more was submitted to Draupadi Murmu, Honorable President of India, through the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong District. The last session of the two-day conference was an open session. It was chaired by Ravi Kumar Phangcho, General Secretary of HPC. Ajit Kashwaha, MLA Bihar Legislative Assembly, attended as the chief guest of the event. Partha Karmakar, Central Observer, Protima Hippie, Sumit Timung, Rocky Dogby and several dignitaries of the party attended the event. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.